Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ncert Maths with Bardeep. Today we are going to start exercise number 7.3 of chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry of grade 10. So the first question is, find the area of a triangle whose vertices are these. As already explained in the introduction video, how to find area of a triangle when vertices are given to you. So let's apply that. Let this be A, this is B, and this is C. So what is area of triangle ABC? This is half of, what you should do, you should write these vertices as A, B and C. A is 2, 3, B is -1, 0 and this is 2, -4. So what should be our next step? This is half of, we will take first this 2, okay, and then use this, okay. So 2 should be multiplied with difference of this, okay. So means if this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x1 should be multiplied with y2 minus y3. For B, if we are using this, we will write 4 minus 3. For C, we should write, means order should always be, if A, we are taking BC, if B, then we will take CA, and for C, we will use AB. So A, B, C should always be in order. Okay, so let's write, this is 2 times 0 minus of this thing, that is already -4, plus, now we will take B vertex, -1 multiplied. So -1 should be this 4 minus 3. Okay. So C is 2 here. So 2 should be multiplied with difference of A and B, that is 3 minus 0. I hope this is clear. I'll explain again. For this value, we will use this difference. For this value, we will use 4 minus, sorry, here it is -4. -4, -3, and for 2, we will use 3A. So order should always be like, A, B, C. If we are using A as X, then BC should be difference. If we are using B, then CA should be the difference. If we are taking C, then AB should be the difference. Okay. So now let's solve this. Half of 2, 0 minus 4. So this is 0 plus 4 is 4. So 2 into 4. Now this plus 1. -4 minus 3 is -7. And 2 into 3. So half of 8. -1 minus 7 multiplied will give me +7 and then 6. So this is 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. So area is 21 by 2 square units. Okay. Or you can solve it further, that is 10.5 square units. So this is your choice. Okay. So this is our first part. Now let's see the second one. So again we will take this as A, B and C. Whatever order is given to you, you should use that order. So again area of triangle ABC is half of this thing. So A, B and C. A is -5 minus 1. This is 3 minus 5 and now 5 and 2. So again when we use x coordinate of A, we will use difference of y coordinates of BC. So here it is 1 by 2 of -5 times -5 minus 2. Order you should always consider. Next is this B value, that is 3. So what I will do, I will keep my hand here and then find the difference of these two remaining vertices. Okay, so this is 2 minus of -1. Okay, so let's do it once more. So C is 5 and then, so 5 I will keep my hand here. Now AB, so -1 minus of minus 5. Okay, so minus 1 minus of minus 5. Correct? So next is 1 by 2. So minus 5. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. So 3 times minus minus is plus. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And now 5 times minus 1 minus minus is plus 5. Okay. So half of minus 5 into minus 7 is plus 35. Now 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So 4 into 5 is 20. Okay. So now half of 35 plus 20 is 55. 55 plus 9 is 64. So this is 32 square units. Okay. So I hope question number 1 is clear to you. Now let's move on to the next question. Second question is, in each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So do you remember what is the condition for area of a triangle when points are collinear? Area of the triangle will be 0. Why? Because they will not form any triangle if the points are collinear. So in exercise number 7.1, also we have some questions when we need to find whether the given points are collinear or not. In that case, the question is quite lengthy, that is we should find the length of AB, BC and CA, and then we will check whether any two line segments add up to the third side. If the sum of the two line segments is equal to the third side, then we can say the points are collinear. But in this case also, using area formula, we can also find whether the points are collinear or not. We will find the area of the triangle. If the value of area is 0, then we can say that points are collinear. So using this formula is comparatively much easier than distance formula, until and unless it is mentioned that you should use distance formula. You are free to use anything. Okay, so I recommend that you should use this formula to find the points are collinear or not. If they have not mentioned that, use specifically distance formula. So let's use this here also. Since the points are collinear, then the area of the triangle formed will be 0. So we will say let it be A, B and C. Since points are collinear, therefore area is equal to 0. And how to find area? That is half of this thing should be equal to 0. So let's write here A, B and C. This is 7 minus 2, 5, 1 and 3, K. So now we will use our formula. First is 7. So I'll keep my hand here and find their difference, that is 1 minus K. Now I will use this, that is 5. Difference of K minus of minus 2. Okay, and third is 3. I'll keep it here and then minus 2 minus 1. And this full should be equal to 0. Since this, okay, we will solve it further. So 7 times 1 minus K plus 5 times minus minus is K plus 2 plus 3 times minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 should be 0. So now since this 1 by 2 is outside multiplied, when it will be shifted to this side, it will be 0 itself because right hand side is 0. So I am ignoring this and opening these brackets. So 7 into 1 is 7 minus 7K, 5 into K is plus 5K, 5 into 2 is 10 and 3 into minus 3 is 9 equals to 0. Now combine the like terms. Minus 7 plus 5 is minus 2K, 7 plus 10 is 17, or 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, so now we will shift this 8 to other side. So minus 2K is minus 8, and what is the value of K? Minus 8 divided by minus 2. So in simplified way, we will get k equals to 4. Okay. So this is the first part. Now let's see the second one. Here again these are the points. So let it be A, B, C. Since points are collinear, therefore area equals to 0. Okay. So again half of A, B, C. What is A? This is 8, 1, K minus 4 and 2 minus 5. Okay. So let's start. Half of, first thing is 8. I will write 8. I'll keep my hand here. Now minus 4 minus of minus 5. So this is minus 4 minus of minus 5. Second is K here. So I'll keep it here. Now minus 5 minus 1. Okay. And third is 2. So 2 is kept here. 1 minus minus 4. And this overall should be equal to 0. Again 1 by 2 when shifted to right hand side will be 0 only. So I am ignoring this and solving the remaining part. So here it is 8 minus 4 plus 5. And then K times minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. And here it is 2 times 1 plus 4 is 5. This should be equal to 0. So, okay, this I have taken in this way. Okay. So here it is, no need of this bracket. So now 8 into minus 4 plus 5 is 1. K into 6 is minus 6k and this is 10 equals to 0. Okay. So 8 into 1 is 8 minus 6k plus 10. So minus 6k I am keeping on this side and 8 plus 10 on other side. So 10 and 8 with negative sign. So minus 6k is equal to minus 18. And what is k then? Minus 18 over minus 6. So you should cancel it and k's value is 3. Okay. So see, this is very easy when points are collinear to use this area formula. So this is our second question. This is all about this video. See you in my next video with the remaining questions of this exercise. Thank you.